Okay, very good morning here on the 26th of July 2018. Rishi Patel, co-founder, Master of the Markets, the Elite Traders Conference, and the Traders Open Day. And warm welcome to this update video here on the GBP USD money bars trade. So if you look here, actually this is an interesting trade because it was something that we were discussing yesterday at the live trading evening with some of the newbies that were coming on board onto the Master of the Markets programs, and we're very happy to have them and welcome them into the family. We're looking at a PSWB here, exactly what we were analyzing yesterday in the live trading evening. Of course, the live trading evening was all about educate, experience, execute. So we went over what a PSWB is, and then of course we went on to how to identify them, and then we actually placed some orders as well. And we placed some orders, I believe, on the coffee chart, as well as a stock, a UK 100 stock called Greco. So there were a couple of trade opportunities just there, and we did look at that. And I think we had also a trade opportunity on another pair as well, gold. I believe we also placed a trade on as well. So multiple opportunities all the way around yesterday at a live trading evening. And so we're just going to do a little update as to a live trade that we've been running here for several days using the exact same concept. So this here, if you look at this seller bar, this seller bar is of course a PSWB. It's a bar that closes in the top 50% of its range. You can see that the market has already run. You can see exactly as well, we entered the trade as well on the high of that bar just there. We entered the trade, and you can see that we've also trailed our stop loss as well, so that it is very close to the entry point. At this stage we only stand to make a very small loss if the price were to go against us. So if the price were to go against us at this time, you could see our maximum loss would just be £144. We're currently up £722 of net profit at the moment. You can see that here on the live real-time screens. We're looking for a profit target at this level just here, which is actually at 132.37 is where our profit target is on the pound dollar. So we are looking for that. You can see that we have come close into today. We were only actually 25 pips or so away from hitting that target before the price did reverse a little bit. Now, there are a couple of outcomes from this point. There's a possibility the price could go against us. It could take us out on our stop loss, or the price could turn around at the later part of the day. I know there's high news out at 1:30 in 45 minutes, and the price could turn around and then head off towards our target, banking us out a potential £1,137 just there. So let's see what happens. It's risk managed, it's been controlled, it's a PSWB. We can see that, of course, we had the number of trending bars that we look for in the live trading room. We also look for, of course, entering as a PSWB long, and then finally, of course, we take the trade. And those were the 3 steps that we followed in the live trading evening as well. So it's just an example of a live trade that we are running. Of course, if you'd like to receive more of these types of videos, all you need to do is add the number to your contact book. That's pretty much it. Add this number to your contact book from which you got the message, and you'll receive lots more live trading video updates, blog posts, amazing educational content that we're putting out on a regular basis. So that's pretty much it from me, Rishi Patel, co-founder, Master of the Markets, currently up £718 on the pound US dollar, floating profit at this time. Look forward to giving you an update on this one very, very soon. Until the next time, stay disciplined, follow your plan, and keep trading like a master. Bye for now.